Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the array. Attach it to your mixer or computer with a high-quality shielded cable and enable 48V Phantom only if the array needs it. Install the manufacturer driver or firmware and set the device sample rate to 48 kHz for best latency versus quality balance. Once powered, open your DAW or Capture app and select the array as input. Make sure channel count and clock source match the device to avoid drift. Next, configure capture and beam firming. Choose the polar pattern or beam direction in the array control panel so the hardware focuses on your target source. Route each microphone or the summed beam to your DAW using a CO or core audio and set buffer to 64-256 samples to balance CPU load and latency. Once done, enable built-in noise reduction or adaptive filtering, and if you have an external word clock, sync the array to that clock to prevent. Finally, start recording while monitoring through low-latency headphones. Set input gain so peaks hit about -6 dBFS, and engage a pad for loud sources to avoid clipping. Make sure to apply basic EQ and delay compensation when combining array output with other mics to maintain phase coherence. If you encounter artifacts or dropouts, check clock synchronization, swap cables, increase buffer size, and update or reinstall drivers. These steps solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.